Welcome to my channel. Today's video is how to fly a drone. It's a beginner's guide from the box to getting your drone in the air. I'm going to be showing you some graphics and some videos, explanations, and as ever, any questions, just ask in the comments. I will answer every question, and if you are intermediate or even advanced, I'm sure you'll get something from the video. So let's get on with it. My first bit of advice, if you are a beginner, is get yourself into some open space, an empty field or a park like I'm at the moment, and you want to be getting your drone in cine mode shall I say. If you look at the remote, you can see there's a C, an N and an S. The C is for cine, the N is for normal, and the S is for sport. So basically that is slow, medium and fast. When you've got it in sport, the obstacle avoidance will be off on this particular drone and many others. This is the Mini 4 Pro. Let's get this drone ready and the RC ready. To turn them on, single push followed by a long push, that turns on. Same with the drone. I shall unfold the legs first. Try and do it with one hand. And I shall cut back to that once I've unfolded it. So that's the legs of the drone unfolded, and same again with that. Single push and then a longer push, that turns the drone on. I always turn on the RC first because that takes a little bit longer to warm up. As you can see on the screen there, it said home point updated. That is very important for when you're flying your drone, to make sure you've got all the satellites locked. It will fly much better and it will return to the home point. So let's get the drone up in the air then. So some pre-flight checks. Check your rotors on your drone, make sure that they're free and moving. You do get error messages pop up to let you know. So they're all ready. The gimbal's free. I've got it on a mat here because I'm on the grass. The RC, as you can see, that is in normal. I'm going to switch it over to Cine, just for the beginner's mode, as I will call it for this instance. I'm now going to do the takeoff for the drone. So on the left hand side of the screen, the up arrow there, if you press on that just once and then hold down the takeoff button, the drone will take off, and as you can see, the drone will hover at about 1 meter high until you make some inputs on the joysticks. Now I'm going to talk about the movements of the drone. You have pitch, roll and yaw. So pitch is basically forwards and backwards. So if you press on the right control stick, I'm going to stick some graphics up so you can see these, and press, that's going to go forwards, and if you pull down on it, it's going to come backwards. So that's your pitch. Your roll, also on your right stick, is if you push it to the left, it's going to move left. If you push it to the right, it's going to move right. So that's your pitch and your roll. On your other joystick, on your left hand joystick, you have up and down, that's called throttle, and also yaw. So if you press up, the drone goes up, press down, the drone comes down, and if you press left, that's the yaw, it will turn the drone round. So it's spinning round there, it's about 45 degrees, 90 degrees, you can come all the way around. If you press it the other way, that's your right hand yaw, it will go the other way. So that is about all I am going to cover on this one video. I shall do another video at a later date. Thank you for watching.